In this video, I'll guide you through how to whitelist an IP address in the Google Workspace Admin Console. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so that trusted mail servers can bypass certain spam checks and reach your users' inboxes more reliably. First, make sure you're signed in to the Google Admin Console with an account that has admin privileges. Without admin access, you won't see the settings we're about to use. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the main Admin Console dashboard, which is where we'll start. From the dashboard, look toward the upper left corner of the screen for the main navigation icon, often shown as 3 horizontal lines. Select this menu to open the full list of admin sections. This is your central navigation for all Google Workspace services and settings. In that menu, find and select Apps. This section controls which Google services are available to your organization and how they behave. Inside Apps, choose Google Workspace. This narrows things down to the core Google applications your users rely on every day. From the list of Google Workspace apps, select Gmail. This is where all your email-related controls live, including security, routing, and spam protection. Once you're in the Gmail settings, look for the area labeled Spam, Phishing, and Malware. Go ahead and select that. These are the controls that determine how aggressively Gmail filters potentially harmful or unwanted messages. On the Spam, Phishing, and Malware page, scroll down until you see a section called Email Allow List. This is the key area for whitelisting IP addresses. The allow list tells Gmail which sending IPs you trust so their messages are less likely to be blocked or heavily filtered. In the email allow list section, you'll see a field or box where you can enter IP addresses. Type in the IP addresses you want to whitelist. You can usually add multiple addresses, one per line. Take your time here and double check each IP because a typo could cause legitimate messages to still be filtered, or worse, allow unwanted traffic if you enter the wrong address. If you're unsure which IPs to add, confirm them with your email service provider or IT team before you paste them in. Also remember that whitelisting should be used carefully. Only add IP addresses that you fully trust, such as known mail servers for partners, third-party services, or your own infrastructure. After you've entered all the IP addresses you want to allow, look for the option to save your changes, usually at the bottom of the section. Select Save to apply the new settings. It may take a short time for the changes to propagate across your organization, so don't worry if the effect isn't instant. Once saved, emails sent from those whitelisted IP addresses should face fewer spam-related blocks or delays, while still benefiting from other protections Google provides. If you ever need to adjust the list, just return to the same email allow list section, update the IPs, and save again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully whitelisted IP addresses in the Google Workspace Admin Console, helping ensure that important emails from trusted sources reach your users' inboxes.